just received your brand new Puggle 2 machine and you're curious about what's actually in the box and what it's used for. In this video, I'm going to be going through and explaining everything that comes with your Puggle 2. Let's unbox it. Puggle 2 comes with two different feet, a standard zigzag foot which you can use for straight stitches, zigzag stitches and blind hem stitches. Then you have your buttonhole foot which is used for making buttonholes. Then you have three bobbins, one already is in your machine, a screwdriver, a needle threader and then two needles, one of which is already in your machine as well. Then you have the power adapter which you can plug into the back of your machine and into a power point to power the machine, otherwise you can use AA batteries. Then you have the foot control. The machine also comes with a wide table attachment, which is very helpful when you want to sew slightly larger projects or keep your fabric steady and at the same level when quilting or doing patchwork. Finally, you have the instruction manual, which is helpful for setting up your machine, exploring your settings or troubleshooting. And that's everything that comes with your brand new Puggle 2 machine. To watch more videos on the Puggle 2, you can scan the QR code on your machine box. And have fun exploring your brand new Puggle 2.